This food expired, but it was not destroyed.
Millions of food items expire every single day. Once food is declared unsafe, a new process begins.
But expiration does not mean the end. This is how expired food is recycled. Expired food doesn't start in clean factories. It begins here, mixed, rotten, and uncontrolled.
This waste still has value.
Only after this, the factory process begins. This is where the factory finally takes control.
Heads up on the line, it's backing up again.
Before machines take over, everything must be separated. Packaging is destroyed before food can be processed. Only the food waste moves forward. Now, the real processing begins.
Plastic and chemicals destroy compost quality.
Only organic food waste can become compost. Now, the composting process can begin.
Excess liquids are removed before composting.
Food waste is balanced with dry carbon material. In the U.S., composting begins in large organic piles called windrows.
Microorganisms generate intense heat as they break food waste down.
At this stage, food waste is no longer waste. Temperatures are carefully monitored to meet U.S. compost safety standards.
Turning keeps oxygen flowing and compost active.
After active composting, the material enters a curing phase.
This stage allows compost to stabilize naturally.
The waste is now becoming usable fertilizer. Even during curing, compost is turned to prevent imbalance. Moisture levels are carefully controlled for healthy compost. This step determines compost grade and quality. Before compost can be sold, it must be screened. Nothing is wasted. Rejected material is processed again. Only uniform material is allowed to pass.
U.S. compost must be free from harmful pathogens.
Nutrient balance determines fertilizer quality.
Every batch is tested before it can be sold. Only approved compost moves forward. This compost is now ready for market.
Each color represents a specific compost grade.
Measured compost is filled into each bag. The process begins with automated bag insertion. Each bag is printed with grade and quality information. Different compost grades are prepared for different uses.
The filled bags now move to final handling.
Filled bags are stacked for safe transport.
Each pallet is checked for stability.
Wrapping protects the fertilizer during shipping.
Finished pallets are staged for delivery. The compost is now ready for distribution.
This compost returns nutrients back to the soil.
Organic compost feeds the soil, not chemicals.
Fields are enriched naturally, without synthetic fertilizers.
Healthy soil creates stronger, better crops.
Organic compost protects the land and future harvests.
Billions of tons of food are wasted every year. But here, waste is transformed into life. From trash bins to factory machines.
Food waste doesn't end. It grows our future. Like, share, and subscribe for more incredible factory stories.